Hello everyone, let's start with question number 16 of solid state from NOST. Now, in primitive unit cell, the atoms are present at the, so we all know in primitive unit cell means which type of unit cell. In simple cubic unit cell, atoms are present at corners. So it looks something like this. And at each corner, there is one atom whose contribution is 1/8. Okay? So corners of the unit cell only is the correct answer over here. Let's move towards second question, question number 17. In body centered unit cell, lattice points are present at. Now, in body centered unit cell, lattice points are present at the corner at the same time at center of the cube. So each atom is present at corners as well as one atom is present at the center. So contribution of corner atom is 1/8 and contribution at central atom is 1. So the correct answer is corners and center of the unit cell. Option B is the correct answer over here. Let's start with question number 18. In the face centered unit cell, lattice points are at present. Lattice points are present at. So now in case of face centered unit cell, 8 atoms are present at the corners whose contribution is 1/8 and one atom, sorry, total 6 atoms are present at the face center. So contribution of face center is 6. Okay, 8 atoms at corner and 6 atoms at face center. So corners and the center of the unit cell, no. Corners and the face center of the unit cell. C is the correct answer over here. Question number 19. Effective number of unit atoms per unit cell. In simple cubic, first they are asking about simple cubic, then face centered cubic and body centered cubic. Okay. So in case of simple cubic, 8 atoms are there, 8 atoms are there, and each contributes 1/8. Now, in case of simple cubic unit cell, 8 atoms are there and each contributes 1/8. So 8 will get cancelled out and number of unit cells or number of atoms is 1. So option C and D is eliminated. Either A or B is the correct answer. Now in case of face center, 8 atoms are at corner. So 8 into 1/8 and 6 atoms are present at face center. So 8 will get cancelled out and 2 ones are 2, 3s are 6. So 1 plus 3 will give us 4. So definitely option A is the correct answer because 1 and 4 is present in option A only. And in case of body center, 8 atoms are present at corner, thus one atom is present at center. So its contribution is total 1. So 8 will get cancelled out. 1 plus 1 will give us 2. So 142, which is option A, is the correct answer. Now, question number 20. What would be the effective number of atoms per unit cell in end-centered unit cell? Guys, end-centered unit cell they are asking. So in case of end-centered unit cell, atoms are present at corner. Atoms are present at corners and also they are present on opposite faces, two opposite faces. Okay. Now contribution of corner atom is 1/8 and total there are 8 atoms. So total number of corner atom is 1 and contribution at face center is half and total there are 2 face centered atoms. So even this is 2 and total will become 2. So correct option is option number B. Now in body centered cubic unit cell and simple cubic unit cell, radius of atoms in terms of age length of the unit cell respectively is. So in case of simple cubic unit cell, I have told you to remember that age length is 2 times r. Now they are asking us about radius. So radius will become age length upon 2. And in case of body centered unit cell, age length is 4r upon root 3. So now again they are asking us about radius. So radius will become root 3r upon 4. So let's see, a by root 2. First option is there, but a upon 2 root 2 is not the correct answer. So First, they are asking us about body centered, guys. They are asking us about body centered unit cell, BCC unit cell. So for BCC, correct answer is root 3r/4, which is only present in fourth option, option D. So option D is the correct answer. Question number 22. In face centered unit cell, the radius of an atom in terms of age length, same as the question number 21 question. So for face centered unit cell, age length is equals to 2 root 2r, or it is equals to 4r upon root 2. Now, in case we are using the first relationship, so it will become a upon, radius is a upon 2 root 2. And in case of second one, radius is equals to root 2a upon 4. Either one of them can be correct. So now over here, a upon 2 root 2. It is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Next, the fractional volume occupied by atoms in the primitive unit cell is, guys, primitive is nothing but SCC. Now in case of SCC, 0.524 fraction is occupied. In case of BCC, 0.68 fraction is occupied, and in case of FCC, 0.74, and finally in case of HCP, which is hexagonal close packing, 0.74. So over here, correct answer is option B, 0.52. For simple cubic, 0.52 fraction is occupied. Now, question number 25, the fraction of volume occupied by atoms in face-centered unit cell. तो पहले ही क्वेश्चन में हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था, ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर ओवर हियर. Question number 26, which of the following crystal lattice has minimum space, empty space? Has minimum empty space, guys. They are asking us about voids. Now, in case of simple cubic unit cell, fraction of void is 1. It is 1 minus 0.52. Minus 0.52, which is 0.48. Now, in case of BCC, 1 minus 0.68, which is 0.32. And in case of FCC, fraction unoccupied is 1 minus 0.74, which will become 0.26. So correct answer is face centered, and the minimum empty space occupied simple cubic body center. Okay, there are two simple cubics. I think there is one typing mistake. So right now, let's assume, I don't know, but most probably this must be option C, must be face centered cubic. Okay, so if option C is face centered cubic, then C is the correct answer. Okay, and definitely two answers cannot match with each other. So option C might be face centered cubic, and C might be the correct answer. Please have a look at it. Okay, next. Which of the following has smallest packing efficiency for atom of a single type? Smallest packing efficiency, guys. Smallest packing efficiency means what? Smallest packing efficiency means highest number of void, and smallest packing efficiency is 0.528, which is nothing but pi by 6, and which is observed in case of simple cubic unit cell. So simple cubic is the correct answer over here. Option C is the correct answer. Next, polonium crystallizes in simple cubic structure. The age of unit cell is 0.236 nanometer. What is the radius of polonium atom? Okay, so now they have already told us that its radius, its packing type is simple cubic structure. So A is equals to 2R is valid for simple cubic unit cell, SCC unit cell. Now polonium's age length they have given. They have already given polonium's age length, which is 236 nanometer. So radius is being asked. So radius is equals to A upon 2, which is 0.236 upon 2. So once we will divide it, we'll get 0.1118, and correct answer is option C. Next, the fraction of volume occupied by atoms in body-centered cubic unit cell is. Okay, so in case of body-centered unit cell, correct answer is 0.68. For BCC, fraction of volume occupied is 0.68. Guys, look carefully. They have also given us fraction of void. ठीक है, so some people might rush into it and they might take option A because it looks similar, but they have asked fraction of volume occupied, not unoccupied. Okay, next, lithium crystallizes as body centered unit cell. So they have given that it has body centered unit cell lattice, and if the age length is 350 nanometer, sorry, 350 picometer. Okay, so a age length is given as 350 picometer, and for lithium or body centered unit cell, relationship between A and R is 4R upon root 3. Okay, so now they are asking us radius of lithium atom. So it will become root 3A upon 4. So let's see, 1.73 into 350 upon 4. Okay, so guys, let's multiply it by 17. Let's assume this is 1.7. So 17, say if we are multiplying it, then 17 zeros are 0, 17 fives are 85, 8 will get carried forward, and 17 threes are 51. So we'll get 595 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 19. So 4 fours are 16, 45. So 4, sorry, 35, and then let's assume 4 nines are 36. So 496, 495 picometer. Answer will be in the range of 495 picometer, which is closest to 151.5 picometer. So correct answer is C. Now guys, remember this, our answer will not match exactly, because rather than taking 1.73, we have taken 1.7. Okay, so hence the answer is not exactly matching, and we have decreased this value, hence our correct answer is smaller compared to that of original answer. Okay, next, gold has face centered cubic lattice, and if the age length is 407 picometer, the diameter of gold atom will be. Now guys, they are asking us diameter is twice of radius, and they have given us age length, which is 407 picometer. Okay, now relationship between age length and radius is, so age length is equals to 2 root 2 times r. So r will become age length upon 2 root 2. Now age length, which is given, let's assume guys, we are directly calculating diameter. So diameter will become 2 times r. So 2a upon 2 root 2, 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. So a upon root 2, which is 407 upon 4.414. Let's assume it is 1.414. Let's assume it is 1.4. So if we are dividing it by 14, so 14 2s are 28, 14 2s are 28, and there is only one answer in the range of 2. So we don't even have to calculate it completely, because we can see directly that it will come in this range only. ठीक है guys? So again remember this, हम लोगों को थोड़ा दिमाग भी use करना है, ठीक है? If we can directly find an answer from the option, then you don't have to calculate it completely. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Okay, so guys, these are the next 15 questions from question number 16 to 15.